Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, today we are going to fix this OC in this inverter welding machine. You can see I connected to the power supply and the OC light is on. It means there is no output voltage. You can see, I show you. Yeah, you can see zero output voltage. What is our first step? Actually I already opened the machine. We just disconnect the power supply and we set our meter to diode mode. You can see it is off. We just set this in diode mode and you just see I just connected. You can see it is showing us short circuited. It means I already opened that machine. It means one of the following. Most of time it's a single diode is damaged. You just need to replace, and the most difficult thing in this case is how you can find out which diode is faulty. Most of time you can see easily if there is some carbon or blast or something like that. You can find out easily, and there is another method you can use that for. You just put here positive and negative supply with the help of power supply, and before that you just remove this connector and this and apply that voltage here, which and open also this, which diode will be faulty, that will be showing little heated. And I for that method I link for that video which I made already in the comment section. Hope you guys like my videos. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.